ban yirap ya ke jing kerduk kam ki khun samla ha ke jala ka Tnat Pulit jong Central Reserve Police Force 67 Battalion Polo Hills Shillong kalapli kalat ban khot ya ki samla ke jala Meghalaya bakadon Haduh arpo Hajar tam ki kam ki balaj ha ke Tnat CRPF ha Shillong ya ketika jing Pynrung kam ha jala Meghalaya lapan long ha mau prem Shillong men ha ke arpo hendro tere ku benail ber arjar arpo ar da ke jing ajing hikai ke bakrpang ban tip kumno ke kam Pulit pahara jong ke CRPF hari India barok kawai kalong ban yirap ya ki sorkar jela ban te la kam ya ka chongsuk chongsan yaitu komandan ka CRPF Battalion 67 Polo Hills headquarter u alok Battalion hakilat pathai kubor ki belai don lang ha kete ke jing a jing hikai ki kentup yo ba Arnes Mauri ki kimi ki kpa jong ki khon samla bawan shim banta bat ki nong kit kam ka shenong mau prem habai kran bat uhe Pulit CRPF 67 Battalion ulong bagane gede ke sinjam ke banekong ya ke Tnat Pulit CRPF jong ke Central Ministry bandon ke jingi dei ke bajan bat ke pajba ke jela Meghalaya namar hakisnem ki bamunshwa ki Pulit CRPF kim judon ke jingi jan bat ki pajba ke jela kiting bat kim silan banyajan ban wanlong kum ki parlok bajan tam haba ki kam balaj bun ki pajba Meghalaya ki khenbet bade ki weipat ki chaj benreu ki banyo ke kam Shushu ki khen baki beriu hajala Meghalaya kide ki beriu belengkot ha kerenyang kane kede tang ke jengmud lengkot pensngo u alok bahata charya upadiu komandan Nagaliang jong ba Arnes Mauri walai chakhot sngobha ha ki Pulit CRPF ulo pensngo bakalong basngo Tnat ban UI bagi CRPF hajala Meghalaya kilong ibakloi bani trelang bat ki pajba ka jela nag banta ban pej ya ke shongsuk shongsan bat ban yirap ya ke jing kurdu kam ha ke jela da ke jing Plielad ban khot bat wer ke samla ke jela ban rungkam CRPF.
And with that, so glad to tell you that you've been selected. Wow! So, what a wonderful occasion. We feel extremely happy and proud. Welcome to our gang.
Yeah, Saraf,
बहुत अच्छा हुआ है। युवा
Sir.
सवाल पूछा है, मेरे को अप्लाई किया, अभी तो रिजॉल्व नहीं हुआ, लेकिन आज डिक्लेयर हो गया, उस CRPF में उसका नौकरी हो गया। Very nice. Thank you.
Mamori, he came and he was saying that his age is over. I told him to apply in April, month of April.
So my name is Saurabh Kumar Mishra and I am from Shillong. सर मुझे CRPF में जाने की बहुत सारी देश की सेवा करने में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है सर। मैंने बचपन से चाहता था कि मैं देश के लिए कुछ कर सकूं। सर आज वो मेरा सपना पूरा हुआ है। सर ये सब लोगों ने बराबर खड़ा किए हैं यहाँ पर सब जीवन
Aku jadi rungkat batu komandan ba aluk macam tadi beri komandan cong di Battalion kani kesin ke beningkong hakaba nakaliang cong ki CRPF ki organize ya kade ka awareness program kuno ban Pynrung kam ya ki khun sama kenthai bat sinrang cek kam CRP bat pilai osno hiru lembaga jing batai cong komandan bat na ai kublai ru ya ka Ministry of Home Affairs hang jing pet chong u Amit Shah ji ulale sibun ki kam ki basbun kan om bakila relax nadu ka height ka riang bat kila relax su ya ka snem ka age bat kila relax su habun ki benta na ka benta chong ki khon samla jongi ki bagi ong ki ST category jadi sidu tribe no te ngasoba kum kani ka program kan wanra ru ka jingyajan ya ki khun samla bat ki CRP pi ngi hak beningkong hak state ke jongi ni sim ba ki CRP kumba batai bakla ki wei ki babon ki bisa recruit hakane ka CRP ki dei ki tu ki koidi ane jing sya kam dei kumta kani ka kam ke bodon burom bat kahap hak jing pet jong ka Ministry of Home Affairs bat kalong ru erangkat bat ki wei pat ki paramilitary force ka bagi ong Islam kum ka BSF ka Assam Rifle ka CISF tengah kwa ban penslur ki khon samla chong ni hapo ka state ka jongi ba kimdei ban sim kata jing sto bakla ka CRP kemot ki pet ya ka jingsuk jingsai ya ka law and order mo kepada hapo ka state ka jongi bat hapo borok kri India te ki trei ya ka kamram ka bala bensiat ka sorka ban maintain ya ka law and order ban pet yang jing sup jing sai kamre de ki wei pat ki bentar bat ngilong ki beren bok kumbang ala ban biang la relax yang ni akar niang la relax yang ni hak snem la relax yang ni haki bubun ki bentar tengak ngakentui ki kon samla wakin pengkre ba ya ka exam kandon ka written exam kandon ru ka physical test bakin wan syakmat ban join ha ka kam CRP namar ba kumbolong mata pilai duna kam posted jongi lalai ka kam pulit nyeuspa kinong apply ki poi silak kelasem sitom ni ka sarkar ban ai kam hanrei da ka baki sim benta pat hakini ki wei pat ki jaka ai kam kum ha ka CRP kam tam bat ka CISF bat ki wei kane kan is kan yarap ya ki kon samla ki bomdon kam don jam ban yo kam kawai ni kata but ni snowdon bok du namar babon ki headquarter lara fi ong dia ka CRPF BSF Assam Rifle baro ki headquarter ki don next state ki jong da ban apply kan kam sem jing namar ni don baro ki center apo silong te ngakerpat ya ki kme ki paru bakin wan syakmat ban encourage lada ban penslur ya ki khon samla kenthai bat sinrang ban join sekani ka kam kemudian buram ba ngatrai borok ngikwa ban ui ba lasai lana ha ka sistem asna madin baki balik duty hang ni posor silong kindai ki CRP kindai ki kena jungi
tapi lah membatai kenjat ke
tua 1.57 mo ya kata ka jingjrong mo mentah pala relax kumba sipo sentimeter la penduna kemut ngidon kam ya ki kena senrang tang 1.7 nang tai kin thai pat tang 1.47 kemut la don sibun kajing relax kabla penjinsur ya karniang nang ta sai kasnam ru kum ya constable kibo arpulai arpu arsnam mentah la ban Haduh arsnam kata ke relaxation bat kawai ke bangakwa ban ongi ki pat ba pet ka skill pe ka tulop marias tang join tangkum constable ru ki san boja larapia nujor hapo ka state ke jongi wat ki doktor sarkar ki kam sarkar ka tulop dang dei tang sau boja tam ye te kat ke banang per ke kerdan kata ke tulop ko nang he tengah semua bagi dei ban sim ni kene kabu.
This was a wonderful opportunity to meet the people of Shillong at Moprim. We are also very thankful to Mr. Mauri for having given us this opportunity to meet and interact with the youth of this town and the state for raising awareness in terms of getting recruited into the Central Armed Police Forces. We've been wanting to meet and interact with the youth of the state for a long time. We've had 3 rallies outside Shillong, so to say, one at Nongshe and 2 at Nongpo. As part of this endeavor, today was another opportunity where we've come here at Moprim and have spoken to the youth. I told them how to go about for getting recruited into the CAPF and interacted in terms of their queries if there were any.
So how many vacancies our local people they will get?
As I explained in my presentation, there's likely to be a vacancy about 2,000 personnel across various states in India in the coming months. The notification is not yet out, but there's a likelihood of the notification getting issued very shortly. As I explained in my presentation to the youth here, every state in the country gets its own quota in terms of number of personnel who can be recruited. So the focus of my address to the youth was that whatever is in the whatever number of seats are allotted in the name of the state of Meghalaya. That should, our endeavor should be to, get successful in all of these. Number one, for the tribal candidates and the local candidates of Meghalaya, there's a 5 years age relaxation. That's a huge benefit at all levels of recruitment. That's a standard concession that the people of Meghalaya get, the tribal students of Meghalaya get. Number two, in terms of height, which is always a query, that the people of the state are not maybe well built or some such thing. That's not the case. But even otherwise, for the state of Meghalaya, the tribal candidates get a relaxation of more than 10 centimeters in every category. For example, the males tribal students of this state can join our services with a height of 157 centimeter, whereas the all India standard is 170 centimeter, with a relaxation of almost 13 centimeters for the tribal male candidates of the state. Similarly, for the women, for the girl candidates, instead of 157 centimeter, which is the all India standard, our tribal girls can get into the service with 147.5 centimeters of height. So these are two enormous concessions that are available, and we need to take benefits out of this. And center in terms of all central government examination. For the past few years, centers have been allotted to Shillong, and I think most of the applicants of the state of Meghalaya can take the exams in the centers within Shillong. Besides that, the centers at Gauhati also. So it's not very difficult. It's available. Shillong is all the interested applicants can take the exam in Shillong itself. So that's also not a problem.